The RMS Titanic, a name synonymous with both grandeur and tragedy. When she set sail in 1912, she was the largest ship ever built, a floating palace of dreams, carrying the hopes and aspirations of over 2,200 souls. She was the pinnacle of Edwardian engineering, boasting opulent staterooms, a grand staircase, and even a swimming pool, luxuries unheard of at sea at the time. Passengers in first class dined on exquisite cuisine, danced to the music of a live orchestra, and strolled along her spacious decks, enjoying the invigorating sea air. The Titanic was more than just a ship. She was a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. Her size and advanced design led many to believe she was unsinkable, a belief that would tragically be disproven. On that fateful night of April 14, 1912, the Titanic steamed towards New York City, her lights ablaze against the darkness of the North Atlantic. The weather was calm, the sea unusually still. Passengers retired to their cabins, unaware of the icy peril that lay ahead. The world held its breath, eager to witness the arrival of this marvel of engineering in the new world. Little did anyone know the journey of the Millionaire's Special, as the Titanic was dubbed, was about to be tragically cut short. Deep within the icy depths of the North Atlantic, danger lurked. An iceberg, massive and silent, drifted on a collision course with destiny. Lookouts aboard the Titanic, their vision hampered by the moonless night, spotted the icy behemoth too late. At 11:40 p.m, the warning rang out, "Iceberg right ahead." Frantic orders were given to change course, but the Titanic, vast and slow to turn, grazed the iceberg along her starboard side. The impact, though it felt slight to many passengers, was fatal. Below the waterline, the iceberg's jagged edge tore through the ship's steel hull, breaching several compartments. Watertight doors were immediately sealed, but the damage was too extensive. The unsinkable Titanic began to take on water. The seriousness of the situation soon became apparent. Distress rockets soared into the night sky, their bright flares painting arcs of urgency against the darkness. The order to abandon ship was given. Panic ensued as passengers and crew alike scrambled for lifeboats, the cold night air thick with fear and confusion. The women and children first protocol was largely followed, but with lifeboats only sufficient for half those on board, many were left behind. The band played on, their music a haunting serenade to the tragedy unfolding around them. Families huddled together, clinging to hope as the Titanic's bow slipped lower into the icy water. The once majestic ship, now illuminated by her own distress rockets, was a terrifying spectacle of chaos and despair. Section 4, A Light in the Darkness, the Carpathia's Rescue. Through the darkness, a glimmer of hope appeared. The RMS Carpathia, responding to the Titanic's distress calls, raced to the scene. Arriving at 4 a.m, she found a scene of unimaginable heartbreak. A debris field littered with lifeboats and the lifeless bodies of those who had perished in the frigid waters. The Carpathia's crew worked tirelessly, pulling survivors from lifeboats and offering them warmth, blankets, and comfort. But the enormity of the tragedy was overwhelming. Over 1,500 souls had been lost in the icy depths, their dreams and aspirations entombed with the Titanic. Section 5, Legacy of the Titanic. The sinking of the Titanic sent shockwaves around the world. It was a stark reminder of the unforgiving power of nature and the fragility of human life. The disaster led to significant changes in maritime safety regulations, including requirements for more lifeboats, mandatory lifeboat drills, and the establishment of the International Ice Patrol. The wreck of the Titanic, discovered in 1985, serves as a poignant memorial to the victims and a testament to the enduring fascination with this tragic event. The story of the Titanic, a tale of both human hubris and courage, continues to resonate, reminding us of the importance of humility, preparedness, and the preciousness of life.